Hello and welcome to this maths video. Today we're going to be showing you a great game you can play to help you practice your mental addition and subtraction skills. You play it just using some simple household objects and it's very adaptable, so you can make it easier or harder as you see fit.
This game is played with 2 or more bears.
Or people. You can play with people.
Yes, or people.
But it's best with bears. I don't know about that, Lucas. Anyway, let's explain how it works. It's a target game, so we're going to be throwing things at targets and scoring points. So we need some targets. You could have a setup like this, with one bowl inside a bigger one. This gives us 2 scoring areas. You need to decide what you will score for landing in each area. Now that is completely up to you. It depends on the kinds of numbers you want to practice adding and subtracting. The only thing to keep in mind is that you're going to be doing these calculations mentally, so make sure you choose numbers that you can work with mentally. You could say you get 6 if you land here and 2 if you land here. You could say this is 16 and this is 12. You could say 60 and 20. It's up to you. Now, of course, you could set up differently.
For example, like this.
Whoa, that's incredible, Tautau. How did you do that?
Editing.
You were supposed to say magic.
It's the magic of editing.
Well, now we have 3 sections, so we need 3 scores. And we could change it again, like this. Amazing, Lucas! Lucas magically added strands of spaghetti, so we have 4 sections. It's not magic, it's just editing. Shh, Tautau. Let's play. We'll go with 3 sections, and our scores are 10 for landing here, 5 for landing here, and 1 for landing here. We'll play the adding version, so we need a final total. Let's say 50. So first to reach 50 wins, and you have to get it exactly. We're going to throw small paper balls at the target, but you might use something different.
Paper balls don't bounce much, so they're quite good.
Good point.
Decide where you stand when you throw, and off you go.
We'll go in order of age. Tautau, you're the youngest, so you go first.
Ooh, 5, well done.
Good start.
5 again.
Well done.
Nice one. Well done.
5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. I got 20. Great, you're on 20. I'll keep scores, so I'll note that down. Lucas, you're up.
5. Well done, Lucas. Ooh. 1.
Unorthodox.
1.
Lucas.
And another 5.
So,
not bad.
top those up. 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 plus 1 equals 11. Well done, Lucas. My turn.
10.
Good shot.
10 again.
Another good shot.
3
3
tens.
tens, incredible. 3 tens are 30.
My turn again.
Hey.
Oh, not
Your
bad.
shot.
Wow.
Wow.
Good
Hey,
shot.
10. This is so exciting. Hey. Wowie, what a game. It has been so close, so tense. Now it's Lucas's go. He's on 49, so he needs 1 to reach 50 and win the game. Remember, he has to get it exactly. Off you go, Lucas. Good luck.
I won! Hooray!
Well done, Lucas. Amazing. What a game. What a shot.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, if we played again, next time we could play the subtraction version. So we could start at 50 and subtract until we got to 0.
Or we could start at 0 and subtract until we get to negative 50.
Yes, clever. So, as you can see, you can play this game in lots of different ways and with all kinds of numbers.
But there's no way you can play it with fractions.
No, there's no way you can play it with... Hang on a second, what are you talking about, Tautau? Of course you can play it with fractions.
Ah, nearly tricked you.
If you are playing with fractions, then choose ones that you can add and subtract reasonably easily. So what might they be? What fractions are easiest to calculate with? Any thoughts? If we were playing like this, where we need 2 scores, I would have a half for the center and a quarter for the outer zone. Now, why do you think this is? We can think of a half in quarters, can't we? A half is equal to how many quarters?
A half is equal to 2 quarters.
Indeed. So let's say I have 1 ball in each section. I need to add 1 half and 1 quarter, but I can think 2 quarters plus 1 quarter, and that's 3 quarters. Now, in this version, we're going to end up practicing our improper fractions and or mixed numbers, aren't we? Because we'll have a target like 5 or something.
So this version is extra fun.
Yes, it is. And I'll prove it. Supposing my score is 3 quarters and on my next go I score 3 quarters again. What's my calculation? It's 3 quarters plus 3 quarters, which is
6 quarters.
Indeed, which is an improper fraction. Or, of course, I could say 3 quarters plus 3 quarters is equal to 1 whole and 2 quarters, or 1 and a half, which are mixed numbers.
This version is extra fun.
Now, if we had a third scoring area, what would be a sensible fraction to score, do you think? For me, the best one is 1/8. Why? Because we can think of a half in 8s and we can think of a quarter in 8s, can't we? So a half is the same as, how many 8s? A half is the same as 4 8s, and a quarter is 2 8s.
Wow, so much fun.
Hey, are you being sarcastic?
No.
Oh, okay. So that's it, the number target game. I hope you have fun playing it, and I hope you have fun adapting it and making your own versions. I know if you think about it and get creative, you'll come up with all kinds of cool ways of changing the game to make it fun and challenging for you. So that's it. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
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 I just want to say
Bye. Bye.
Before we say goodbye,
Bye. Bye.
Okay then.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.